All right, today my son has challenged me to dunk the ball. So let's see if mom can dunk. Now, this is going to be an experiment about high performance, about foam rolling using the travel roller. I'm going to try to dunk the ball 5 times before I use the travel roller, before I do my activation. And then I'm going to dunk the ball 5 times after I roll, and to see if I can create a physiological effect and see if mama can dunk. All right, here we go. I've never done this before, so let's give it a try. Here we go. Number 1. Oh, okay, almost. 2. Let's go. 3, almost there. Okay, let's go. 4. Let's go one more time. Oh, 5. All right, so close. I'm almost there. Now I'm gonna roll my body here. I'm gonna see if I can dunk. Okay. All right, gonna do my travel roller activation now. Rolling the superficial back line, bottom of my feet. It's great, elongating that fascia. Let's see if it can make an effect. All right, let's use the TR 3.8. Rolling on the road, I've never done that before. Now I'm doing a quick activation because this is an activation. I'm trying to get ready. I'm trying to pump my muscles. I'm trying to change the length of my fascia. Okay, so it's a quick activation. All right, let's go through the whole body real quick. See if I can dunk. All right, this is for my son. I want to dunk it for him. Work on those lateral lines. Lats, I can stretch and reach, jump higher. All right. All right, let's do this. Let's see if I can dunk. Let's do this. All right, here we go. Oh. Okay, try again. Oh yeah, did it. Okay, here we go. Oh. So close. Okay, one more shot. Last one. Oh yeah, easily. I did it twice. I definitely felt I had a bit more vertical. I felt warmed up. Mama dunked. That one's for my son. Yoo-hoo! All right, play ball. Let's play ball. Nice. All right, there you have it, folks. If you are looking for that little edge, if you're out running or doing any type of sports, travel roller is a great way to improve that muscle recruitment, that activation, and to get you ready to perform. just by manipulating the fascia just a little bit on the entire body, you can improve your performance and prevent injury. And it is amazing. I'm so excited that I was able to dunk the ball. Sweet. I hope you guys have a great one and keep on rolling.